In this video, I will be decluttering underneath our kitchen sink as it's been getting really messy and it's time to get it in order. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything from underneath the sink and start from scratch, and then I'm going to wipe the area out. Now, using the same shelf from my bathroom decluttering video, the other half, I'm going to be putting that inside to hold all of the cleaning products that I'm going to be putting back into the cabinet. I'm going to put a link to the shelf that I'm using, and I'm also going to add some alternatives if you guys don't have an IKEA in your area. Now I'm just going to add all of the products that I do use onto the shelf, eliminating the ones that I do not use and throwing them away, or throwing away empty containers and that type of thing. But I'm also categorizing these products as far as how frequent I use them and the type of product that it is. Some of the products that I was finding was not necessarily supposed to be in the kitchen, which is why I'm putting them back, because some of them belong in the bathroom or some of them belong in the laundry area. Now, taking one of the same IKEA white containers from my bathroom decluttering video, I'm going to suction those to the inside of the cabinet by adding a little bit of water to the rubber. I'm just going to be adding my everyday items that I need, such as my scrubbers, my gloves, and my garbage bags to this basket. I like to eliminate all boxes and packaging, so with my extra garbage bags, I'm going to be removing them from the box and putting them into this basket along with any other items that cannot fit onto the shelf. And there you have it, we're all done. It only took me about 15 minutes. Again, if you want to know what I use, please check the description box. I will include a whole bunch of alternatives if you guys don't have an IKEA in your area. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.